Hi, I am Chef Rajiv Janveja, Corporate Chef, Lemon Tree Hotels. Welcome to Nature's Basket Cookathon, a festival spread over 15 days featuring 15 chefs in collaboration with Traveldine. Today I am going to do a special Christmas dish for you, wine poached spice figs. So let's start cooking a very flavorful Christmassy dessert. So let me show you. As I said, we will be making spicy figs. So these are actually figs which have been soaked for some time, and then I'm going to use wine. You can always use alcoholic wine also. This is actually non-alcoholic wine which is available here at the Nature's Basket. I'm going to use some cinnamon. I'm going to use some ginger, fresh sliced. This is star anise. It's got a very good flavor. This is also used for South Indian cuisine, but I'm going to be using here some peppers, pepper is basically black pepper, which is actually giving it a punch little bit. And then I've got some sugar, I've got some poppy seeds. These are roasted. I have actually roasted them before only, and then some mint sprig which I'm going to use. And all these ingredients which I am using, these are all available at Nature's Basket. Let's start cooking. I'm going to take these figs which have been soaked before. Take the water also along. Now I am going to add the wine first. So this is very nice, actually delicious dessert which I am going to do. These are wine and this thing which I am going to cook. Actually, if you see, the figs have very good quality. These are actually good for your bones. It lowers down your cholesterol also. There are very good qualities of figs. Wow. So now I'm going to add some spices to this dish. This is cinnamon. This is ginger sliced. Star anise, the star of this dish. And black pepper. This will give the little punch to the dish. So it will cook for another 10 minutes with this, and then after that we will tell you what all to add now. So this is now cooked for 10 minutes. As you can see, the wine has reduced. The figs have become soft and juicy. So what I am going to do now is I am going to add some sugar to it. And this will cook again for another 5 minutes so that the syrup becomes little thick. So we'll cover it back again. So let's see if it is cooked. Yes, it looks like it has cooked already. So I can show you. You can see the seeds have come out of the figs. So it's almost done. That's the indication that it is already ready. So let me switch it off. Let me check if all the flavors have seeped in. Excellent. So this is ready to serve now. There are two ways. You can cool it down, and the best thing is, ideally you should keep it for a day in a jar. So all the flavors of the spices which we have added will really come out well. Or you can serve it as it is. You can serve it cold, you can serve it warm, you can serve it with ice cream, or you can even serve it as it is. So let me dish it out for you. Some juice of it, some roasted poppy seeds on top, and a mint sprig. So it's ready to serve. Best is to go with ice cream, or you can even try with a vanilla or a pound cake. again available at the Nature's Basket. It was wonderful being part of Nature's Basket Christmas Cookathon 2021.